Page 3 of your study guide. Here is a net made of triangles and a square. All the measurements given are in centimeters. First thing, if the net were folded and assembled, what type of polyhedron would it make? So when I look at this, I see that we've got a square and we've got a bunch of triangles. So since all of these are triangles, I know it's going to be some kind of a pyramid. And since this is a square, this is a square pyramid. Then it said, what is the surface area of it? So I remember that surface area is just the area of all the surfaces added together. So the area of this is 36 square centimeters. The area of this is a triangle. So the base of the triangle is 6. And the height of the triangle is 5. So I remember that to find the area of a triangle, I do base times height divided by 2. So 6 times 5 is 30, divided by 2 is 15. So this is 36, this is 15, this is 15, this is 15, and this is 15. So I'm going to do 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15, and that's 60, plus 36, so it's 96 square centimeters. Here is a list of expressions. Order them from least to greatest. So I'm going to take my calculator, and on my calculator, this is a little bit different from yours, but I'm still going to use the upside down V. So I'm going to turn it on. So I'm going to do 40 upside down V, 2, and that equals 1,600. Then I'm going to do 8 raised to the third power, and that's 512. Then I have 10 raised to the third power, that's 1,000. Then I have 7, this means times, 7 times 8 raised to the second power, and that's 448. Whoops, this is 1,000. And then I have 10 raised to the fourth power, and that's 10,000. So I'm going to go from least, that's the smallest one, so 1,600, 512, oh, this one's the smallest one, so that one's first. So this is what, sometimes when they do these, they want you to write down what it was originally, so I'm doing that. So that's the original, and this is what it equals, and then 8 to the third, and that equaled 512. And then the next smallest one is 1,000, so 10 to the third, and that's 1,000. The next smallest one is 40 to the second power, that's 1,600. And the final one is this one, 10 to the fourth power, and that's 10,000. All right, final question. A rectangular prism has the dimensions of 2 by 2 by 3. What is its surface area? Explain or show your reasoning. So when I look at this, I know that it has a front, and a back, and a top, and a bottom, and 2 sides. So I'm going to call this my front, and that measures 2 by 3, so the back is also 2 by 3. Call this my top, and that measures 2 by 3 as well, so that means the bottom is 2 by 3. And then over here on the side, this distance here is 2, that's 2, so this is 2 by 2, and 2 by 2. Now I multiply it all together, so that's, or multiply it and then add it all together. That's 6, that's 6, that's 6, that's 4, that's 4. So when I add it together, I know that this is 10, and this is another 10, and this is 12. So I'm going to add 10 plus 10 plus 12. And that would be 2, 10, 20, 30. So 32 square centimeters. Hope you did a good job. Thank you for your attention.